If you've got a Cardo Packtalk Bold and you've also got a Samsung phone, stick around, this might be of interest. Okay, let's get into this. Right, as you can see, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S20, and that's not a new phone by any stretch of the imagination. So first off, wake your phone up. Oh, he's a handsome boy, isn't he? Right, once you're in your phone, go into your apps, and then in there will be a Samsung folder. Click into that, and then in the Samsung folder is a voice recorder. Now that is Samsung's own voice recorder. So once you tap that, you're met with this screen. Now what you need to do first and foremost is, one, make sure that your Cardo is paired to your phone before you do this. And then once you're in this far, tap the three buttons, go into settings, and then come down and it says use Bluetooth mic when available. Make sure that is lit up blue. And then once you're there, it will use your Cardo microphone to be your recording mic. Now what it won't do is it won't record everybody else that's talking to you on your Cardo. It's solely using the microphone to gather your audio. But it really is then as simple as tap the record button and away you go. Now at the moment I'm recording this on the DJI Mic 2. I'm going to cut off of this for a second or two, and then I'm going to pair my Cardo to the phone, and I'm going to show you the quality of the audio coming through the Cardo mic to this app. Right then, we're back in the room. So just to show you that it is using the Packtalk microphone, I'll turn the Packtalk on now. That should then say connected in a second or two. There you go, connecting. Now connected for calls, 100% battery remaining. Lovely. Right, so what we want to do now is one quick thing I need to show you before I switch and record the audio through the app. This is still recording on the DJI Mic 2. So first off, you open up the voice recorder and go into settings, and again use Bluetooth mic when available. Now the minute you start recording, it should, there you go, recording with Todge29 Packtalk. So there you go, you can see that it is recording with that. Now it should be now recording through the app. What you can't do is when you are recording, you can't now go into settings, I don't think. I think if you go back there, yeah, the minute you try to go back, it says cancel, discard or save. So once you are recording, you can't then go into the settings and change anything like that. This is now recording through my Cardo to the app. Now what that's going to be like when we're out on the bike, I don't know. Hopefully, being the Cardo mic with its noise filter, it should just concentrate on the voice, and it should hopefully do away with a lot of the wind noise. But it's definitely worth a go if you've got a Packtalk Bold and you're not thinking of upgrading to the Edge. Obviously the Cardo Edge records both sides of the conversation through the comms. But if you're somebody that doesn't want to go stuffing extra microphones into your helmet, all that extra wire and everything that entails, you do have a Cardo Packtalk Bold, you have got a Samsung phone, this is an option for you to use that, hopefully to get some good clear audio to match up with your video. So anyway, thanks for watching. If it's been of any use, please give me a thumbs up, click the like button, and stay safe, guys. Cheers for now.